The Whispering Willow and the Lonely Sparrow. In a quiet meadow, where the grass danced with the breeze, stood a tall, ancient willow tree named Willow. Her branches stretched wide, whispering secrets to the wind, and her leaves shimmered like emeralds under the sun. But Willow had a heavy heart. Many years ago, she had been home to a family of sparrows who filled her days with laughter and song. Their tiny wings fluttered through her branches, and their chirps were her lullabies. But one cold winter, the sparrows flew away to find warmer lands, promising to return. They never did, and Willow felt a deep loneliness grow inside her. One spring morning, a tiny sparrow named Pip landed on Willow's lowest branch. Pip was small, with dusty brown feathers and sad, round eyes. He hadn't sung in months because he, too, was lonely. Pip had lost his family in a storm, and now he wandered the world, searching for a place to belong. Willow's branches quivered with hope. "Little sparrow, why do you look so sad?" she whispered, her voice soft as a lullaby. Pip looked up, surprised. "I've lost my family," he chirped, his voice trembling. "I don't know where I belong anymore." Willow's leaves rustled gently. "I've been lonely too," she said. "My sparrows left long ago, and I've waited for them ever since. Will you stay with me, little one? We can be each other's family." Pip hesitated. He wanted a home, but his heart ached for his lost family. Still, Willow's kind voice warmed him, and he nodded. "I'll stay," he whispered. Days turned into weeks, and Pip made a tiny nest in Willow's branches. Willow told him stories of the meadow, of the rabbits who played hide and seek, the fireflies who danced at night, and the stars that whispered dreams. Pip loved listening, but he still couldn't sing. His grief was too heavy, and Willow felt it too. She wanted to help Pip heal, but she didn't know how. One evening, as the sun painted the sky in shades of pink and gold, a gentle breeze carried a faint, familiar sound to the meadow, a sparrow's song. Pip's eyes widened. He flapped his wings and flew to the edge of Willow's branches, listening closely. The song grew louder, and soon, a small flock of sparrows appeared, their feathers glinting in the fading light. "Pip," called a sparrow with a brighter chirp. It was his sister, Leela. "We've been searching for you." Pip's heart soared. He flew to his family, chirping with joy as they huddled together, feathers brushing against one another. Willow watched, her branches swaying with happiness for Pip, but also with a quiet sadness. Would Pip leave her now, just like the others? Pip turned back to Willow, his eyes shining with tears of joy. "Willow, this is my family. They found me," he said. Then, seeing the droop in her branches, he flew to her and nestled close. "But you're my family too. You gave me a home when I had none. I won't leave you." Willow's leaves shimmered with tears of relief. "You've brought me so much joy, Pip," she whispered. "I'm happy as long as you're happy." That night, Pip and his family built nests all over Willow's branches. For the first time in years, the meadow echoed with the sound of sparrow songs. Pip finally sang again, his voice soft but clear, blending with the rustle of Willow's leaves. It was the sweetest melody the meadow had ever heard, a song of love, family, and healing. As the moon rose high, Willow whispered, "Good night, my little sparrows." Pip snuggled into his nest, feeling safe and loved, and drifted into a dream where the meadow glowed with the light of 1,000 stars. The end.